Much better. Great, great. Tell me some positive things about your life which you have improved. Yes. Hmm. 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 This means that the dogs are responding to you, means as if they know you and they don't care. It is like they are acquainted with your presence. And since you are not fearing, so they are also sensing your energies of not fearing much. Yes. All right. So I want to ask you why you have taken the session. First of all, let's focus on what your main questions are, and then I will guide you for whatever is required. I will tell you and I will guide you. Today I will give you a short energy transmission which you can practice also. Okay, that practice if you can do, and in coming time I will tell you how I am going to take your case. From today I am going to take your case in a different way because you have worked on my guidance, you have improved, so you deserve to be going to the next level of treatment, whatever I am going to do. So that is a good news for you, that I am eager to work on you, provided you work on the further guidance which I am going to give you. First of all, you need to know that yes, cold weather is a problem, heater is a problem, it releases lots of positive ions. So you have to find out a balance of how well you can be, you wear more clothes if required, more woolen clothes which is required, and you can keep the window open for fresh air if it is required. Even little bit of window should be open for fresh air incoming, otherwise it will be too much, means the weather inside there will be too much of carbon dioxide. Yes. Alright, so whatever is possible in your country which is practical, more practical, then you can buy that and you can know that what is the role of the radiator, how it works better than a heater, that you know. What is the radiator, means what is the function of the radiator? It is radiates similar to Alright, so try for radiator if it is comfortable for you. And regarding the practical things in life, I just want to know your work pattern, means how you are doing well at work, and are you getting confident day by day that yes, I can become better and I can improve on my work. What kind of changes you are noticing? Hmm. 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 Good. Hmm. 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 Good. All right. So it has been almost a week you have been going to work, and this is going well. All right. So now you can focus on your health more in a more concentrated way. So my plan, I will discuss the plan with you, and if you agree to it, then you will move forward like that. First of all is that from today onwards, today I will give you an idea, and after that you will book the session, and then I will go with the session. Whenever you are at home, for example, weekend, Saturday or Sunday, are you at home? Yes, so weekly you will be taking one session each. 30-minute session is enough. 30 minutes of quantum field energy transformation I will do on you, and it is to change your brain waves permanently. Slowly I am going to, I know your quantum field reality, what is going to happen. Okay, and I have a concrete plan for your treatment and healing and everything. Treatment means the egoic treatment which you are getting, that ego should die completely, which thinks otherwise, and the soul in you should thrive, and the body should heal. Your brain and nervous system should heal over a period of time. Your total recovery will take 5 years time, that is understood. That is you and me know by now. All right. But slowly, what I am going to do, most likely, most likely means we are planning that way, but your time will depend on how much you have improved your condition. That way your project will happen. For example, I can heal you in the Himalayas much faster than if you do online. Okay, so there is a physical project planning after 3 months of duration with you. It may be of 7 days or 10 days, it will depend. And I will be taking you to Nepal. Nepal is a different country. It is in the Himalayas only, and all the planning is to heal you in a faster way, so that you get healed. Again, go back to your country, work for again 2 to 3 months, again work on yourself. Then again after 3 months you come back wherever I am. If I am in Thailand, you will be doing the project with Thailand. If I am in Nepal, if I am in India, in the Himalayas, so most likely all the projects will be in the high energetic zone, high negative zones. Okay, and if you are willing to do that project and you are ready to do that project, then from today onwards, for the next 3 months, I will be changing your brain, and I will be changing your quantum field, so that you are preparing yourself. Your brain is much more ready pre-hand to do that project, because it is all about neuroplasticity, and it will be all instinctive life training to you. Got it? Your brain and nervous system will become much stronger, and for that certain practices you have to do to build your stamina in daily life and everything. But since you know there is a hope to improve to the next level, to go to the next level, then your brain will change faster than when there is a hopeless condition. Okay, so why you are doing the work? You are doing the work so that you can sponsor your treatment, your recovery. Okay, that is the purpose behind. So you should be willing to do anything which your work opportunity is giving you. All right, but the prime focus should be to improve your health. And I am willing to do if you are disciplined like this, not 100% disciplined, but whatever I say you are following and then you are moving forward. If this is the way you function, then I am willing to work on you. Alright. For that also we have a definite plan. First of all, you can book a 30-minute session first. Immediately you can book, and in the next few days I will take your session. Maybe by Sunday I will give you one session. Alright. You have to be available for the full day, so that whatever energy transmission yes you get from me, you have to process it. Okay. So that energy transmission need to be processed in your body. That is why you should be at home that day whenever I am conducting the session. For example, Sunday morning if I am taking the session, your time, then you will get throughout the day time to process that energy. Alright. So book a 30-minute session. It will be quantum field energy transformation session, in which I will change your brain waves. In the 30-minute session itself, I will change your brain waves. And after that, with the changed brain waves, you will be able to function in your life. And all the things that will happen thereafter. So likewise, I will be changing your brain waves every 7 days. Got it? And whatever changes happen, that will lead you to prepare you to do the project with me in the Himalayas. And for the Himalayas, there are some practical things. You have to have stamina. You have to walk for 2 hours. All these things I will introduce in the process. And for that, freedom project of 100 days our team will send you in the next few days, where you will be enrolled for the freedom project to fulfill this purpose. Got it? Since you are doing the physical project, that is why you are doing the freedom project. Got it? All this clarity you will get. It is not for WhatsApp chatting, unnecessary talks, nothing. It is for the big purpose. Since you are coming to the Himalayas, that is why you are enrolling yourself for the freedom project. Got the clarity? Freedom project of 100 days to prepare you for the Himalayas. Is the goal clear? Correct. Freedom project of 100 days. Why? To prepare you for the Himalayas physical project. The purpose itself, yes. Yes, 7 to 10 days. 7 to 10 days in total. For example, if I am already in the Himalayas in Nepal, or most likely it will be Nepal, but wherever it is. For example, if it is India also. So wherever I am, you will reach that place, and from that place, total of 10 days project or 7 days project will be there. Okay, not the time of you coming there and going back, not that time. The total project will be of 7 to 10 days with me. Correct. And you will get to know all this information in December, in the next 1-2 weeks itself. So you will get time to prepare for everything. Alright. You will get the clarity, all the clarity about the project and everything. At least the duration you will get to know. Suppose, for example, you are doing the project from March 15 onwards. Okay, so you will get 2 months time to prepare for the project. Got it? You have built stamina. Then you have to go for the army training that I am going to give you. This means you have to eat the food, right kind of food. You have to do the practices. If I am telling you to do Kundu breathing, you have to do Kundu breathing. All these things will be included. Got it? Yes. At night only you have to do. In the morning, when you get up, you have to get up early in the morning. All these changes will happen as I change your brain waves. So right now you don't have to do anything. As your brain waves changes, then you will get the stamina and strength to change your routine also, because there is a purpose. Got it? So this is the big thing coming. What more can you ask for? Yes, and likewise I will be working with you for 5 years. Every 3 months, every 6 months you will be doing projects with me, and you are a case which I am working on based on the progress you have made in the last 1.5 months. Whatever I told you, you did. You sold your car, you sold your, you decluttered everything, you sold your everything, musical instruments, you joined the work, you are working on your life, you are focusing on your life. All right? Sounds good? Yes. That will time will decide. Time will decide. As your brain improves, as why we are working to improve your condition, correct? So as you improve, you may leave this job, you may take another job, you can do another thing. But 5 years of your life, if you devote, then life after 5 years is totally different. So make sense? Yes. Excited? Alright, so this, yes, today's session is over. You book one 30-minute session, which the session I will conduct on Sunday. I will be giving quantum field energy transformation that I will give you to change your brain waves, and after that every week you will take. So right now book only one session. Once the Freedom Project is designed by our team, means in the coming few days, my team will send you the Freedom Project link. Then you can sign up for the Freedom Project. Then the goal will be totally focused and everything will be done through Freedom Project. Alright. So, yes, hippie hooray, cheer up. Bye bye. Okay. You can ask. Let me see. The time is running out. Next session I will reduce the time. Next session. Alright. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. So this was a session with my schizophrenic patient who has improved, who is becoming better, and she is going back to work. Isn't this amazing? And rest of the things you have heard, you have watched in this video itself. So this is progress. With me everything is possible if you dedicate and devote your life to me. Alright, so have a great day. Bye bye and thank you.